How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Bear Bunker. If you are currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home and you are looking for a loft, the largest loft to be exact, then look no further than the Bear Bunker. This particular model is 1 bedroom, 1 bath with the loft, 11 feet wide, 35 feet in length, no porch with the side entry, and it is on sale as you see it today for $69K. $69,000 is what you're going to see today, but it's first come, first serve for the $69,000. Wow. And it all starts right here in the interior living area. You can see that we chose to go with a rustic finish, hence the name, the Bear Bunker. So we've got the hickory cabinets, we've got the nickel bar pools, and we chose to go with the entertainment center in this model. You can choose to omit that option if you do not want it, but we've chose to add it. So you see right here, we've got the 3-door cabinet right here to the side. We've got the additional storage down below. We've got the LED fireplace and electric. You can heat your mittens in this particular model. This does put off heat. It's not just for looks, even though it looks pretty cool. But right up above that, you can see that we got the laminate countertops, and again, the space for your TV so you can watch great videos like what's on the TV right now, Recreational Resort Cottages YouTube channel. Just plugging that in there. If you know, go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family, your inside of your tiny home could be looking just like this set up right now. And then right over here, this is the money shot. This is going to be the bay window on the Bear Bunker. You can see that you've got the windows fully surrounding this front wall, and then you got the large prismatic window up top. So this is great if you've got a view on your property, whether you're on a lake, whether you've got acreage, whether you don't got any property hardly at all. It just looks good, period with a T. You got that right here on the front. So you've got plenty of natural light. Not only does that look great, but it opens the space up by having that natural light coming in. Since we went in the rustic style, what do? Take them to the upper room. You see right there, we've got the southern yellow pine ceiling from front to back of the Bear Bunker. And as you can see here in the living area, we've got a small sectional in here. The options are endless on your furniture setup, and you've got enough space for a couple chairs, anything you would like in this particular living room. We've got 2 more windows right there. All your baseboards, interior southern yellow pine as well, the real deal. This is not the fake stuff that I can rip off side the wall. This is the real deal wood. And then right here as well, we've got the blinds and glass front door. There's plenty of options on the front door. If you do not like the blinds and glass, we have that for you. Also, great feature about the Bear Bunker is the wraparound countertop. You can see right here as it comes out at an angle, that's on purpose because you can see it's actually elongated with the countertop here. So that gives you extra space that you can get a nice stool in here on a couple of sides here, and you can sit down, or we can sit here and add storage. So we've got some storage space in there for you also if you want to sit there and make that even more space that you can have in your home for storage. Also, you can see we got the pendant light up above the countertop. We chose to go with the southern yellow pine backsplash to continue that rustic look. Again, additional storage up top. We chose to go with the black appliances in here, keeping it very rustic. Electric, smooth top. You got the microwave up above. You can convert to gas if you prefer gas. What is something that we added in this one? Dishwasher down below. So you can see here, if anyone wants a dishwasher, all it's going to do is take the space of one of your bottom cabinets. If you don't want the dishwasher, you get the extra cabinet space there. It's your option here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, we've got the countertops continuing here in the Cafe de Pesco laminate. Great options here because you've got the bits of tan, the bits of brown into the actual countertop that is going to coordinate with the rest of the rustic feel, but not feel too dark at the same time. We've got the standard stainless 2-basin sink, standard faucet there for you, window up above, and a clear story window. So this is great. Front to back, this place is open. And then you follow me on back right here, and you'll see we've got the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door there for you. And then right across from that, we've got your restroom. You can see right here, toilet, you've seen one, you've seen them all. But right here besides that, you've got the hickory cabinets continuing here in the bathroom down below. And then we've got the standard fiberglass shower. So what's great about this, it's easy to clean. You just wipe off the dirt and grime. It's a little bit easier. Some people prefer it over the tile shower, and it saves you a little bit of money at the same time if you're looking to go in your tiny home and build one from scratch or possibly purchase this. And then also you can see, since this is a loft model, we have a little bit more elevated space here. So again, I'm 6'1", so you can see you got a few more inches there to work with in a tiny home that's 399 square feet. Follow me on out. Don't look past this door right here. I know you see this. Looking like, whoo, it look like a cutting board. Somebody done put up here and glued together. This is a real wood door, real wood interior door, southern yellow pine, none of that hollow smollow stuff. You come on right back here and you'll see we've got the space here for the stackable washing machine and dryer that you could have. The connections are right there. But we've also chose to add the shelves because we're not going to use the washer and dryer in this particular model. So you can see right there that additional storage space is great for towels, things like this, because this is actually a rental. You can contact us on a side note about the Try and Buy program. This is a model. The Bear Bunker is a model on the Try and Buy program that you can try at Hidden Forest Lake. Just contact me, DM me, hit me up about the Try and Buy program. How that works is you try it. You come, stay a night, stay 2 nights if you like. If you stay, you love it, you order a home, hey, the stay's on me, Mr. Tiny. If you do not like it, then hey, you pay for your stay, you have a nice little vacay here in Texas for the time being, and then we can sit there and look at some other models that may be of interest to you. Moving along on a side note, keep that moving, just want to throw that in there. But right here also, we've got the additional storage here in the hallway. This is great for a coffee bar, anything that you need. We've already got the outlets there for you, a couple USBs. This is great for if you need to charge your phone real quick. You've got the space to do it. So right here. Then follow me on back into the bedroom, and you'll see here that we have the queen size bed, queen size here in the main bedroom. So this can give you an idea on how much bed space you have. You can go to a king if you want, but again, you're turned into a bedroom at that point. So you can see with the queen, you can still get a couple nightstands, things like that over here to your liking. We've also added the southern yellow pine accent wall over here to the back. We've got your window here as well. And then we've got the double bifold doors in southern yellow pine, real wood as well. We've also got the 4-drawer dresser here with the nickel pulls. We've got the space for your TV there in the center. It is a great option in the Bear Bunker here. You have an endless amount of space. Also, you can see here, bifold doors. And again, like always, just because I hit the interior door in here don't mean I'm trying to hide something from you in the shelves. It's still real wood, baby. Real wood, shelf and rise. Now follow me on through. Come on back. And again, we're in the Bear Bunker. So bunker up, Big Bear, Berenstein Bear, and make yourself comfortable in this particular model. If you got the little chitlins, the little kids that need their space to go, then come on up to the loft. Follow me on up here. You can see we got the large steps in here for you. None of those ladders like the dudes give you down the street. We're giving you real steps to get up to the loft, how you need to do it. You come right here, follow me on up, and I'll show you what the loft has to offer. Now we are in the loft of the Bear Bunker. And as you can see, like I said, if you are looking for a 399 square foot tiny home with the largest loft of them all, largest single loft to be exact, then the Bear Bunker is the one for you. You can see right here that I've got plenty of space. I'm over here on a twin mattress. There's also a queen mattress right there beside me, and look how much space we got. You can throw a couple more here in the corners if you want to. We've also got the clear story windows on each side. We got the transom window in the back. We have your own individual mini split AC and heat system up here, so you do not have to worry about everybody getting cold or hot. You can sit there, control it right up here individually, separate from the rest of the home. Also, great feature here is the yellow pine ceiling like I talked about earlier. You can see we've got a couple of can lights. This is great. We've got outlets, TV jacks in here for your convenience, and also the rebar railing. You can see rebar rails right there on your loft, so you don't have to worry about the kids sitting there roughhousing and breaking something. They ain't breaking that rebar. They ain't that strong, Iron Man. And then you go on down and look how great the Bear Bunker is. Is this not a home away from home? The getaway that you want to go to at the end of your long day right here in the Bear Bunker. This is the spot. This is the one to call home or call your secondary home if you would like. This home again is 11 feet wide, 35 feet in length, $69K, $69,000 to the first person that calls and wants the Bear Bunker. Also, again, like I said, this is part of the try and buy program. If you want to come, stay a night or two, or even a week if you want to, hey, you can come by, check it out, stay in it. You want to order it? The stay's on me, Mr. Tiny. I'm giving back right there with the try and buy program, so hit me up about that. Also, thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, smash the like button, drop kick the like button, put the like button in a choke hold for your boy, please, because it's getting out there to more and more people each and every week. The more that you do that, that way I can spread my message about tiny home living and spread the knowledge to everyone so they can see that there is a quality built tiny home for you out here. I've got several models. We've got hundreds of videos for you to look at here on the Recreational Resort Cottages YouTube channel. Also, comment, leave a comment. Let me know what you loved about the Bear Bunker. Let me know what your favorite feature was. Let me know what you'd like to see in a new Tiny Home Tuesday home. Please let me know. Hey, we're taking your ideas all the time, seeing what we can do and doing it for you. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you're part of the family here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and we love you. If you're not subscribed, you better do it right now, for you are on the outside looking in. This is the best channel that you need to be watching for information on tiny home living. Also, I want to allow you to follow me and contact me directly at Mr. Tiny on my Instagram at THEMRTINY, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the homes right off my Instagram. You can contact me about how to purchase this home or any other home you've seen on the channel, and also you can contact me on my Instagram about the try and buy program, and I would love to give you some more information on that. Also, hey, I've been giving the tiny home shout outs. So, newest shout out this week is to Marlene Aguilar out of Moore Park, California. I appreciate you for taking the time out of your busy day, your busy work schedule, to watch little old me here with these Tiny Home Tuesday videos, and I appreciate your support. And her favorite model is the Cardinal with the Loft for her two little ones. And I want to thank all y'all for watching the videos. I appreciate you, Marlene, for everything you're doing and subscribing to the channel. If you want to get a shout out like Marlene Aguilar, then feel free to follow me on my Instagram, like my latest post, and leave a comment saying YouTube brought me here, and you have the chance for your very own Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. And I thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I will see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.